So we're back with our pal Manny.
Okay.
From
The
yesterday.
camera's over here, right?
Oh, is it over there? Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, so we're back with Manny, and we're gonna see how he's doing. Manny, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna flip it around here in just a second. Okay, so we're back. This is the left axilla again. You can still see some faint trace of that redness. Did you wash that pen mark off, or did it just sort of wear off?
It wore off.
It wore off. Okay.
I didn't wash that again.
All right. So, but it looks like I can still see just a little bit of kind of the faint redness around there, but it looks like most of it's gone. Gumby Jean's going to pull the dressing out now, or pull the packing out. There we go.
On a count of 3. 1, 2, oh, 3.
You're
okay?
You're a storyteller.
I know.
That looks very healthy. That's good. That really looks great. A little bit of hair. Okay, so our plan is we're going to repack this today, and then we're going to leave you alone until Friday.
Okay.
And then we'll remove the packing again, and if it continues to look good, then we're not going to repack it on Friday. That'll be our plan, okay?
Okay.
Gumby Jean, I'm going to leave leave Manny in your capable hands. And Manny, we thank you for letting us do a little follow-up video on you, okay, bud?
No problem.
Any problems, you just send me a message and let me know.
Will do. Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta-7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
And
I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta-7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta-7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.